So goddamn gang, makikinig tayo ngayon kay MC4D at syempre Michael Pacquiao, anak ng dalawang legend sa Pilipinas, bro. 4D syempre anak ng King of Tagalog Rap, Andrew in the place to be, at syempre Michael Pacquiao, anak ng King of Filipino Boxing, Manny Pacquiao, man. Okay? Ang title nito ay Checkmate. Let's go! Damn! Napaka-dynamic ng lyric video na ito, man. Nakita nyo naman sa video, bro.
Mark Beats. Feeling like it's all and done. Baby, you're my number one. Baby, I can take you anywhere, right? Maybe we can go all night long.
Yeah.
Baby, you're the one that I want. Baby, when it's all and done.
Okay, sigurado si Michael Pacquiao ito, ang anak ni Manny Pacquiao, bro. Napaka-swag ng hook para sa mga A-above natin, man. Dayo!
Let me take you somewhere fun. We can party there like all night long.
Let me take a sip on this glass of mojito. I'ma see a lady like Olivia Rodrigo. Is he a wear tuxedo? Cause she told me that you know.
Good 4D, ang pogi mong Filipino.
Okay, pinaparinig sa atin ni 4D at ni Michael Pacquiao ngayon, man, na ibang liga na ito, okay? Ang mga A-above na nahuhook sa mga ito ay mga English-speaking na, man. Ibang klase ito. Let's go!
Flashback, we're talking everything was slow and their face would glow. I'm just amazed like what the party, everything is perfect, you do it late. If you don't mind, girl, can we go for a date? That we're down to dancing, singing in the mic. You're watching the playing movies that she likes. We traveling, we're cuddling, I'ma be a guy. I can do this every day like I was Bonnie and Clyde. Like, hey shawty, are you ready na? Kita tayo daw cause namimiss kita. You and me sa kanis, pabilis mo lang. At least kami kiss, parang fiction lang.
What? Nakakarinig tayo ngayon ng mga multi at rhyme scheme. Siyempre, yung inis daw. Yung inis sa akin, miss, mabilis mo lang. Naalis gamit kiss, parang fiction lang. Pulp Fiction, bro. What? Siyempre, 4D with the swag verse din. Lover boy. Pero 4D, iwasan na maging simp, okay? Hindi pwede maging undergun ng mga babaeng yan, okay? Okay, so just lying. Let's go!
I'm like, type babae wear. Pull up naka-skirt, sobrang lit, legit. Kita mo sa lente, pumansik pa rin. Baby, tryna play, di mo pwede isnabing. Pull up, come inside with me. Take it to the first class, aking majesty. I start VV's, mamahaling thing. Know what's up, bring a friend, I'm with Michael P.
No, damn! Know what's up, bring your friend, I'm with Michael P. Dalawang anak ng legend ito, man.
Feeling like it's all and done. Baby, you're my number one.
Yeah.
Baby, I can take you anywhere, right? Maybe we can go all night long. Baby, you're the one that I want.
Damn.
Baby, when it's all and done, let me take you somewhere fun.
Okay.
We can party there like all night long. Yeah, you be wildin'. That dress got me super styling. All the company, why still complaining? With the other girls around, you be chasing. Yeah. Everybody didn't know you.
Michael Pacquiao with the new school flow, man.
Be only he, only just for sure. I've been trying to ignore why you're always in my feelings on my phone.
Damn. I've been trying to ignore why you always in my feed inside my phone, bro. Pag ganyan kasi mga anak ng bilyonaryo, man. Alam mo nyo naman, babae na talagang lumalapit sa mga to, man.
Baby, wanna vibe in the front like this. Shawty, I can take you in a loop like this.
Yeah.
Look in every single angle. She's so perfect, for example, Apple. Baby, wanna dance in the middle. She be hard to get, that's an insult. She a bad girl at the same time, girly at the same time. Baby, wanna be mine. Feeling like it's all and done. Baby, you're my number one. Baby, I can take you anywhere, right? Maybe we can go all night long. Baby, you're the one that I want. Baby, when it's all and done, let me take you somewhere fun. We can party there like all night long.
Feeling like it's all and done. Baby, you're my number one. Baby, I could take you anywhere, right? We can go all night long.
Ganda ng hook na ito, napaka-swag. At may recall siya, okay? Talagang nakaka-LSS, man.
Baby, you're the one that I want.
Yeah.
Baby, when it's all and done, Let me take it somewhere fun. We can party there like all night long. Feel like it's all and done. Baby, you're my number one. Maybe I can take you anywhere, ride with me, we can go all night long. Baby, you're the one that I want. Baby, when it's all and done, let me take it somewhere fun. We can party there like all night long. Wait a minute. Yo, Mike, that was good, bro.
Yeah, we did it, bro. We should keep going.
Let's go!
Okay. Teka lang. Ano to? Magsasaranggola ni Pepe kayo, man? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung bro, yan ang sample na ginamit. Galing yan kay Hakim 888. Nakita nyo kanina bago mag-start ang aking reaction video. Siya, si Hakim 888, ang official beatmaker, bro. Para sa Goddamn Gang, siya yung nagbigay sa atin ng bed music. Siyempre, official beatmaker din ito ng Ghetto Dogs, Andrew E. R.I.P. sa kaibigan natin si Hakim 888, man. Legendary beatmaker. Damn! Bumabalik tayo sa old school scratch type beat, man. Yeah.
Mic check 1, 2, on. Magaling ang isip ka na po, hamad ang maparap. Kung usapan ay skills, sumusunod ka na paragraph. Tala na sa langit, pabagsak nito ay paragraph. Ako
Ano daw, man? Ano daw sabi ni 4D? Kung usapan ay skills, sumusunog kada paragraph, man. Okay. 4D is in his bag now.
Mating nakatago, di mo kita nasa graph. Butyo mga rappers, naman na kayo sa back. Paandar tong dalawang lihiti mo natataka. Face ka the punchline, Batista at the rock.
Si Michael Pacquiao ata yung nagsabi, man. Putyo mga rappers, dun muna kayo sa back.
Ako mating nakatago, di mo kita nasa graph. Butyo mga rappers, naman na kayo sa back. Paandar tong dalawang lihiti mo natataka. Face ka the punchline, Batista at the rock.
Anong sabi, man? Anong sabi ni Michael Pacquiao, bro? Iron fist kada punchline, Batista at The Rock, man. If you smell what The Rock is cooking. What? Balik tayo kote, man.
Tago di mo kita nasa graph. Butyo mga rappers, naman na kayo sa back. Paandar tong dalawang lihiti mo natataka. Iron fist kada punchline, Batista at The Rock. Dala mo iusis sa akin kada rocket launcher.
Okay. Hindi tayo pinagpapahinga ng dalawang ito, man. Anong sabi nila, man? Dala mo ay Uzi, sa akin ay guided rocket launcher, man. Modern warfare AI weapons na ito, bro. Ito yung pag pinaputok mo yung rocket launcher, bro, hahabulin ka, man.
Red miss kahit rabbit man siya. Ano magklaseng enerhiya mo sa amin di obra. Sa inyo gang sana may haki ni mudra.
Kung sa inyo daw gang, sa akin haki ni mudra, bro. Mental brain power dito, bro. Walang gang dito, man.
Ubus ka kung lahat ipupusta. Mainit pa sa araw ng tanghali matutusta. Mainit pa sa mata ng lesbos matutuska. I don't know who the heck are you. Para maghus ka, manduwas na bumabako na tribo, magugas ka muna.
Okay, siksik naman yun, man. Napakasiksik na multi at rhyme schemes yun. Balik tayong konti, man.
Sa inyo gang sana may haki ni mudra. Mauubos ka kung lahat ipupusta. Mainit pa sa araw ng tanghali matutusta. Mainit pa sa mata ng lesbos matutuska. I don't know who the heck are you. Para maghus ka, manduwas na bumabako na tribo, magugas ka muna sa akin. May sitok na pagsipa sa una. Ada siya katutusok, malaburikin baguda.
What?
Ada siya katutusok, malaburikin baguda. Pagdadali para si Deva Gina tapong mapanakahawag na pluma ay palagi sa gana. Sumusulat ng tula hanggang sa magkaubusan ng tinta. Teka lang muna, bumalik tayo sa una. Kung saan ko nasungkit mga pangarap na kuha. Papakita mo lahat tanong ako isinilang ko. Respeto sa lahat ng mga lumat baguan. 20 taong gulang na aking matutunan. Kada sulat
yan ang gusto kong marinig dyan, men. May respeto sa mga nauna at baguhan, bro. Diba? Ito may mga tunay na may galang ng mga kabataan, man.
Naisip na ba may pagugutan? Sinamahan ko ng utak at aking pinusuan. Mabilis ang sulat o muna sudulang sinulat pamulat. Iyong nagumulat para lang si Kapi ang kumuha puho ng panggulang. Puro mantaruan, masabukan lumutan. Nung lang matutunan, hakbangan na mga yan. Alam mo yan. Cause me for the two legit. We don't wanna contradict. You meant to make the substances. Coming from an overstrict, the oversit. Feeling in a...
Teka lang, bro. Ang ganda ng pagkakasabi ni Michael Pacquiao, bro. Me and 4D daw are too legit. We don't wanna contradict your metamix substances, bro. Ang metamix substances, yun yung mineral substance na wala ng crystalline due to radiation damages, man. Matinding metaphor yan, bro. Balik tayong konti, man.
Ano na lang matutunan hakbangan ng mga yan. Alam mo yan. Cause me and Ford are too legit. We don't wanna contradict. You meant to make the substances. Coming from an overstrict, the overstitch. Feeling in a politic. Perspective of a therapy specialist. The intimate, infinite, intricate. This is the true penmanship. I like
What? Perspective of a therapy specialist. Infinite, walang katapusan. Intricate, detalyado, bro. This is a true penmanship, bro. Pati yung rhyme schemes at multi dito, bro. Hindi nakokompromiso yung mensahe. Hindi nakokompromiso yung mga double entendre at syempre metaphors dito, man. What?
magnificent.
Balik tayo konti, bro.
We don't wanna contradict. You meant to make the substances. Coming from an overstrict, the overstitch. Feeling in a politic. Perspective of a therapy specialist. The intimate, infinite, intricate. This is the true penmanship. I like the magnificent, shiny skylights, scintillant. Remember to be vigilant at all times. You know what I mean? Got a simulate briefly from the regiment. Transform into a ventriloquist as we are the main event. Rapper like we're taking this. Fighting the masterpiece in the movie. We also discovered the master illusion. That's the
Okay, 4D is on fire, bro. Michael Pacquiao is on fire. Okay, binanggit ni 4D dun yung pag-transform into a ventriloquist. A puppet master, man. Yung hindi ka na, kahit hindi ka na magsalita, kaya mong sabihin yung gusto mong sabihin at kontrolin. Ang mga gusto mong kontrolin, bro. Master illusionist. Matinding metaphor to, bro. What?
rapper like protagonist. Fighting the masterpiece in the movie. We also discovered the master illusion. That's the perform some magic tricks to be with the suppression of the unpredictable thunder. Cause I'm on fire and like the lighter awake. It'll leave you die power like I'm Eisenhower. This track is to enlighten and to empower. I learn a lot.
What? Okay, di tayo pinagpapahinga. Sabi ni Michael Pacquiao, power like I'm Eisenhower, bro. Kilala niyo ba si Eisenhower? Sa history, si Eisenhower siya si Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States from 1953 to 1961, bro. Napaka-influential na leader nito, both military and political spheres, man. What?
It'll leave you die power like I'm Eisenhower. This track is to enlighten and to empower. I learned a lot when I read the 48 laws of power. Especially with the lightsaber from Darth Vader.
Okay. Binanggit niya yung 48 Laws of Power. Simula 2020, 2021, nababanggit na natin yung libro na yan. 48 Laws of Power. Yun ang ginagamit ng maraming hip-hop. Mga icons ng hip-hop at gangster rapper simula sa States hanggang dito. Yan ay galing kay Robert Greene, yung libro na yan, okay? Sabi ni Michael Pacquiao, I learned a lot when I read the 48 Laws of Power. Damn, bro! Machiavellian, man. Simula kay Tupac and the old school pa, bro. Binabasa nila yan, man. Napahanga din ako dati niyan kay Robert Greene, bro, yung author ng 48 Laws of Power. Yun nga lang, marami sa nagbabasa ng libro na yan, pag hindi nila nakokontrol yung power, nagiging masama, bro. Okay? Kaya nga yung next na line niya, Darth Vader, di ba? Kasi napupunta ka sa dark side, man. Kasi more on kung paano mo malamangan ng kalaban, bro. Machiavellian talaga yung mindset na pinapakita dyan sa 48 Laws of Power. Although helpful yan, man. Okay? Para kay Uncle KS, wala nang mas malupit na book na kailangan mong basahin para makontrol mo yung powers mo. At the same time, makontrol mo pati yung ugali mo, yung morals mo, na hindi ka magiging salungat sa creator natin, kay God Almighty, the God of Moses, the King of Kings, man, okay? Para sa akin, aside from 48 Laws of Power, mas maganda ultimately basahin natin yung Proverbs, bro. Isang parte yan ng original Hebrew Bible na translate na ngayon. The book of Proverbs in the Bible is a collection of wise sayings, mga kasabihan, moral instructions, man, mga practical na life advice, traditionally attributed ito from King Solomon. Okay, so yun ang author. Yun ang inutusan ni God Almighty na magsulat ng libro tungkol dyan, man. Alam nyo naman, sa history, si King Solomon ang pinakamayaman, pinaka-ma-influensyang tao, pinaka-wise na tao, bro. Okay? Nandyan yan sa Proverbs, sa libro mismo. Bro, imagine mo, yan ang libro ng creator nating lahat, the God Almighty, the King of Kings, man. Okay? What?
It'll leave you die power like I'm Eisenhower. This track is to enlighten and to empower. I learned a lot when I read the 48 laws of power. Slice you with the lightsaber from Darth Vader.
I am your father.
Till I devour. Let's go
Damn.
back in time and save the future. Call us Doc, Emmett Brown and Marty McFly. I'm not
What? Sabi niya, call us daw Marty McFly and Emmett Doc. Sa mga old school dyan, alam niyo yan, bro. Sila yung bida sa Back to the Future movies, bro. Si Dr. Emmett Brown na isang scientist, inventor siya ng time-traveling DeLorean. Yung nagta-travel sila sa iba't ibang timeline, man. Okay? Yan yung unang sumikat na movie tungkol sa time machine. Yung the whole world talaga nanonood, man. At syempre, Marty McFly, siya si Michael J. Fox, yung aktor doon sa movie. Man, siya yung kasama lagi ni Doc Brown, Emmett Brown. Siya yung laging kasama sa eksperimento para maglakbay sa iba't ibang panahon, iba't ibang timeline sa history, man. Ang galing ng lyrics nito, bro.
Let's go back in time and save the future. Call us Doc, Emmett Brown and Marty McFly. I'm not done yet. Whoa, got this impossible mission na was about. Nakamitan God this vision ng ilan. I'll read the future generation. That's my decision. That's why I don't need.
Grabe ka naman, kapatid na MC4D, bro. Minention na niya yung Mission Impossible. Got that Mission Impossible. I will survive like Ethan. Ba yung bida sa Mission Impossible, acted by Tom Cruise, syempre. Got the vision of Elon Musk, syempre. Ang tinaguri ang real-life Iron Man, scientist, billionaire, bro. Yung vision niya, man. What? Stop playing with 4D and MP, man. Balik tayong konti, hindi tayo natatapos, bro.
Till I devour. Let's go back in time and save the future.
Yeah.
Let's stop Emmett Brown and Marty McFly. I'm not done yet. Whoa, got this impossible mission na was about. Nakamitan God this vision ng ilan. I'll read the future generation. That's my decision. That's why I don't need any basic reference. Like I'm a crush on the lyrics and the impact will be a fail.
Nandun yung Eminem flow, bro. Unpredictable Eminem flow. What? Woo!
Done it. Whoa, got this impossible mission na was about. Nakamitan God this vision ng ilan. I'll read the future generation. That's my decision. That's why I don't need any basic reference. Like I'm a crush on the lyrics and the impact will be a fail. Mas grabe sa lahat, mami na mainit parang mami na apoy ang mga lilig ko. Super pack ang stamina. Ganda sa natin mga Chris na hindi makina-imagina. Malapit ka sa puminta, mamati ka.
Woo! What? Malapikaso puminta, mamamate ka kung sa chess, man! Okay?
Fatality.
Oh, we're done?
Fatality talaga, man. Maraming salamat, Michael Pacquiao, at syempre, our very own MC4D ng Donggalo Rec, anak ni Andrew E. The place to be, the king of Tagalog rap, bro. Shoutout kay Michael Pacquiao at syempre sa legend, boxing legend, king of Filipino boxing, syempre Manny Pacquiao, man. Di ko akalain na ganun din pala kagaling si Michael Pacquiao mag-rap, man. What? At sa aking goddamn gang dyan, huwag niyong kalimutan magdasal. Humingi ng tawad, humingi ng blessings, bro. Sa nag-iisang God Almighty, the God of Moses, the King of Kings, man! Okay? Ilalagay ko yung official link ng page ni Andrew E. in the place to be. Official YouTube channel kung saan naka-upload ang video na to, okay? In this goddamn game! In this goddamn...